Okay, action.
Yo, what's up, y'all? Look at what we just scored. I got 2 of these, one's a foot shorter, for $70 on OfferUp. I am so excited. They lock and they're gonna be our storage compartments on the side of the bus for trucks. So we'll mount them underneath the bus, cut out the siding. We'll have to cut more metal out of the side of the bus for them to fit in. But I'm excited. Look at these things. Absolutely humongous. It had some legs on them. I had to take those legs off to fit them in the car. Wait till I show you what car I fit this huge thing in. I could literally climb in here. Tools for days on the road. I don't gotta leave nothing behind. It's huge. I love it. Oh. Got a little bit of dirt on here. Can't have that. Shiny red toolbox. But I fit that thing in here.
Hi, Daisy.
Whew. That thing weighs a ton. I'm almost scared that the thing's so heavy we're gonna lose gas mileage on it. But nah. Anyways, just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on current ongoings, things we're purchasing regularly. Really focus on me and not the dog. Just kidding. We'll see you guys later. All right. What up, y'all? So, I mean, this video is maybe 3 months old now, but I'm finally getting around to editing everything with the new iPad, and between me doing my toolboxes and a couple other people doing toolboxes in the bus community, I wanted to take a moment and clarify something, because there is 1,000% a difference in quality between the toolboxes that I put on my bus and the toolboxes that I've seen other people put on their boxes, or on their buses, excuse me. So, you know, a couple months ago, one of my favorite YouTube channels on buses put some toolboxes on their bus. And the quality of these toolboxes, although they're very safe, secure, and they will protect your stuff, you know, they're made out of a much thinner metal. So mounting these as an undermounted toolbox to your bus or whatever piece of equipment you might have, you know, the style that you mount them is very detrimental. So the way this person mounted their toolbox, although will work, probably won't support too much weight for 10 years down the line. But it's definitely going to work for a couple years. There's another person in the bus community who, although they're shutting down their shop, has recently taken a slight turn in the way they want to address other people in the community, and I find it really rude, and I feel that it's really disencouraging, and it doesn't help the community grow. You know, being a sarcastic douchebag is funny, but not when you put it towards people that you know. I mean, really, you shouldn't be that way to anybody. We should all be kind to each other. But toolboxes, right? Toolboxes. My toolboxes are made out of 1/4-inch steel and welded in every corner, and all the corners are gusseted, giving me the option to undermount them while bolting them in from the top. The hardware I used was 1/2-inch grade 8 bolts, and so, you know, this is strong enough to carry these pack boxes from the top. Further down the line, I'm going to weld in brackets from the back of the box to the C-channel frame of the bus, and then bolt those into each other, further reinforcing the box. But just to let everybody know the difference, these are like, I don't know, maybe 20 gauge steel toolboxes that a couple other people hung on their bus. My toolboxes are 1/4-inch steel, reinforced, gusseted, and welded. So if you're gonna mount these toolboxes on your bus without under bracing them, make sure the quality of your toolbox is equivalent to something that will actually hold all the weight that you're gonna put in there. I'm probably just ranting on at this point, so I'll leave you with that. We'll get back to this video. Hopefully we get to upload it in a second, but check these bad boys out. Ooh, ooh. Get to the end of the video, you'll get to see how it looks. Catch y'all later.
I just woke up from a nap and I see somebody over here cutting a giant hole in the side of our bus. Just kidding, it's Birdo. Let's go see what he's doing.
We finally woke up. What, are we recording?
Yeah, tell us what you're doing.
I mean, well, what do you see missing?
A giant hole.
The whole side of the bus. You walked up on me as I was cleaning up that edge. But yeah. Cut that thing out. And it was like, here, come this way.
Okay.
So originally we had these two dual rear AZ systems going on, AC systems going on. They had these grills over the body panel, but still plenty of bus left around them. As you see the box right behind it, I got a bigger one meant for that corner, and this one is going back here. I guess we might as well walk out to the other
Yeah.
So this is originally how it looked. The AC unit was in here. Took that down, took the grill off. I'll come back here and measure out my cut. We'll have two toolboxes mounted underbody to the bus. I'm excited. I can't wait to see what I can fit in there.
She is beauty, she is grace. They're finally pulling her in. There she goes. Oh, looking like we need a little air in that front left tire. Oh, she's dumping liquid on the ground too. Is that the coolant spraying everywhere? Okay. Oh my God. I just love her. Look at that bussy. Blowing a little bit of smoke out of the exhaust, but
got a little slight hue of blue to it. Yeah, I see that.
That's not good.
It's a diesel oil, bones oil.
Yeah.
Like within
Yike.
the gas is oil.
Yike. Well, there she goes.
Finally. We've been waiting like 4 weeks for that thing to get pulled into the shop, folks.
Ah!
She gonna fit.
I don't know.
You're recording. Yeah, let me know you're recording.
Action.
All right. Well, we're gonna get on out of here. Catch you guys later. Terrible video. Whatever. Raw and uncut. You guys get to see it all.
What?
What about the nut? Can you throw me that nut? I don't think that ball works at all.
Why?
Can you see it again? That's what the nut was for. The nut was for you to check the pressure, make sure that works.
Wait, where did this come from?
Inside. It's not threaded all the way through. It's probably what you bought.
That's not what I bought.
Similar to.
That's what I returned, and he
No.
gave me the other one.
It's probably what you originally bought.
Yes.
What y'all think of my welding hood? Bought this thing on offer for $15, all slapped out with full welding stickers. It's getting everywhere. Check that out. Okay.